Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to back our channel. Now I resume last video. This video I talk about GPIO. Generally GPIO pins are used to control the external devices and it provides a various functions like digital output, analog output and mainly pulse width modulations. What are the external devices? That is able to connect LED, motor and sensor. Next one is digital input. Digital pins are read the signal from switches and sensors. How will we configure input pins at different levels? Low, high, or floating. Floating levels nobody can't use in programming. We have to use low and high only. Don't bothering about floating. Let's move on digital output. Same as well as input but differing sending signal from external devices like LED and motors, and configuration level is same. Move on pulse width modulation. Already we know that pulse width modulation is used to control the intensity of LED and as well as motor speed. And one more thing, this is important in PWM. I think catch up, that is duty cycle playing important role in PWM. If you changing the duty cycle, we can control the motor speed and intensity of light and LED. Practically I'll show later. Just keep it in your mind. And next one is interrupt. Generally interrupt is a type of signal that can be used to pause the program and execute a specific instructions. STM32 have 16 external interrupt. We will see one by one. Need not to worry about it. Just simple concept. Control is working. It has receiving high priority work. Then interrupt will play. Next one is operational mode. Processor gives two modes like thread mode and handler mode. Thread mode is nothing but application will execute under thread mode, and handler mode is nothing but interrupt handler will run under handler mode. Processor start with thread modes only. And next one is memory map register. It is important to keep it in mind. First one is non-memory map register. Generally non-memory map register is general and special purpose register. Its main difference is cannot access this register in C program. We can only access assembly language only. Memory map register, it has classified into two types like processor and microcontroller. Processor having interrupt and debug. Microcontroller having RTC, I2C, timer, CAN and some peripheral devices. Every register as it is own registers can access C program and using dereference. Core registers. 32-bit controller having 32-bit wide registers. First one is general purpose register. General purpose register is R0 to R12. It has total 13 register. It can be used to data operation, data manipulation, storing data and storing address. And next one is register 13. 13 means stack pointer. It is only used to track the stack memory. When you are programming exceeding stack memory, it is showing stack overflow and it will be denoting segmentation fault also. Stack pointer have two pointer, that is process stack pointer and main stack pointer. Process stack pointer means banked version and main stack pointer is pointing to top of the address. And next one is R14 register is link register. The purpose of link register is calling function and return the informations. And R15 register is program counter. It is contain current program address. Next one is special purpose register. It consists of program status register. It shows the status of current execution program. I hope this video is really helpful to you all.